When it comes to window contractors in Bucks County, Montgomery County, Mercer County, Lehigh County, throughout Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Dave Porter with Vouch Video. I'm standing with Dave from Remodeling Concepts. There's been so many people talking about your window contracting services. Tell me really what you're doing here and why people need to replace windows.
On this particular project, we're replacing 23 windows for this homeowner. A lot of people think that windows only help with efficiency in the winter, but they also help with efficiency in the summer because the UV rays. So it's going to cut down dramatically on the amount of heat loss with the heat going in, taking away the air conditioning in the house. In the winter, it obviously helps with the efficiency, keeping the cold air out and the warm air in. So this homeowner is really excited about getting all the new windows and really enjoyed the product that we have to offer.
We've met an insulation contractor and he had a device that actually could show where that heat loss was coming from. It's really like an investment when you're putting new windows in.
A lot of the heat loss is actually out the window and in the window, which a lot of people don't realize. So we actually have an infrared camera too, which we often use to be able to go around and show the homeowners where they're losing it. And we can actually show them ahead of time and afterwards what the difference is between the two windows. The other thing that a lot of people don't realize is sound efficiency. So it may sound odd, but that's the first thing most people realize is how quiet the home is after the new windows are installed.
I know you have a window and siding team for a specific reason, because when you're working with the windows, you're touching the siding and you really need to know both products.
Correct. With our team, we have all aspects of remodeling background, whether it be the window installs, roofing installs, siding installs. So on this particular project, you are affecting the J channel, that has the siding held into it. So therefore, we can work with that to make sure that everything ties together properly, not just for aesthetic value, but also for water flow and make sure that everything's properly sealed.
Dave, I'm so impressed. Coming to your job site, it's so well run and coordinated. The guys take so much care in regards to their trade. When you're out on these job sites, you really get to learn a great deal about the contractors. I'm proud to actually recommend Remodeling Concepts to anyone looking for a window contractor in Bucks County, Montgomery County, Mercer County, Hunterdon County, reaching it throughout parts of New Jersey as well as Pennsylvania.
Actually into Delaware now too.
Now into Delaware. The company continues to grow and there's a reason for that. Dave, thank you so much. I look forward to recommending your services.
Thank you very much.
Dave and Remodeling Concepts is really at the highest of all the contractors out there in regards to providing service that's caring for each and every detail.
Every window matters, every customer matters. We're very customer centric and we're only going to use the highest quality products and install it properly the first time.